In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix a missing or unresponsive start menu in Windows, especially when the taskbar isn't showing or the start menu just won't respond. Don't worry, we can fix this with a few simple steps, and once done, the issue usually won't come back. First, let's open Task Manager manually. Right-click on the Start icon at the bottom left of your screen, and from the menu, select Task Manager. Inside Task Manager, click on Run New Task at the top. In the small window that appears, check the box that says Create this task with administrative privileges. Now type CMD and click OK. A command prompt window will open. Here, type the following command, sfc/scannow. Press Enter. This command scans your system for corrupted files and automatically repairs them. Let the scan complete. It may take a little while. While the scan is running, go back to Task Manager. Under the Processes tab, scroll down and find Windows Explorer. Right-click on it and select Restart. This will refresh your taskbar and desktop. Once Windows Explorer has restarted, right-click on the menu and select Terminal, Admin. When the terminal opens, copy and paste the following command, then press Enter. This command will re-register all Windows apps and fix any issues with the Start menu. Finally, restart your PC. After rebooting, your Start menu and taskbar should be back to normal and fully responsive. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more fixes, and let me know in the comments if it worked for you.